welcome everybody to another exciting episode of Gianluca's Monster Truck Show. Today we are looking at Son of a Digger. Only at Target, 1/24 inch scale, true metal, Monster Jam, authentic. Great looking truck. Let's open it up, eh? I know on these, the tape right on the bottom, very easy to open. Basically, once you remove those, it comes right out. And here we go. You can see the great detail on it. The great paint job, breaking records. What's really cool about these ones is the working suspension. It's a real deal. We'll be doing some tests with that. But here it is. Like I said, really beautiful paint job on these. You know, really authentic looking. Really crisp, clean colors and bright, you know. And like I said, with the working suspension and the wheels turning, it is a really good quality toy made by Monster Jam. Again, this is Son of a Digger. And again, like I said, you know, these are great trucks. These 1/24 inch scale trucks. They really are. They have great detail, like I said. Real good movement on the wheels, on the turns. And like I said, I mentioned earlier, we are going to be doing some outdoor videos with these. Down some ramps and see what it does on some, you know, different surfaces off the ramp. And put that testing of the working suspension to use. So, you know, there will be a lot of different things coming on this channel, not just opening up toys. We will be doing a lot of other videos with these monster trucks on the Gianluca Monster Truck Show. So definitely, please stay tuned for all the excitement. If you can like it, you know what I'm saying, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You know you want to. There's going to be a lot of fun things coming. If monster trucks and toys are your things, this is the place to be. And check out our other VSW videos as well. We have professional wrestling and pop culture, sports, all sorts of fun and excitement here on this channel. Thank you for watching this episode, everybody. Have a good night.